Here are some natural ways to clear brain fog first thing in the morning. 1. Get enough sleep. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. When you don't get enough sleep, your brain doesn't have a chance to rest and repair itself. This can lead to brain fog and other cognitive problems. 1. Eat a healthy breakfast. Eating a healthy breakfast gives your brain the nutrients it needs to function properly. Avoid sugary cereals and pastries, which can cause a spike in blood sugar followed by a crash. Instead, opt for whole grains, protein, and healthy fats. 1. Get some sunlight. Sunlight helps to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. When you get enough sunlight in the morning, it can help you feel more alert and awake. 1. Exercise. Exercise is a great way to improve your overall health and well-being. It can also help to improve cognitive function and reduce brain fog. 1. Meditate or do yoga. Meditation and yoga can help to calm your mind and body, which can be helpful for clearing brain fog. 1. Drink plenty of water. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and brain fog. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. 1. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine and alcohol can disrupt your sleep and make brain fog worse. If you're prone to brain fog, it's best to avoid these substances. 1. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to brain fog. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or yoga. If you're experiencing persistent brain fog, it's important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. However, following these natural tips can help to improve your cognitive function and clear brain fog first thing in the morning. Here are some additional tips that may help. 1. Take a cold shower. The cold water can help to wake you up and boost your circulation. 1. Get some fresh air. Go for a walk outside or open your windows to let in some fresh air. 1. Listen to music. Listening to upbeat music can help to improve your mood and energy levels. 1. Do some light stretching. Stretching can help to improve your circulation and reduce muscle tension. 1. Take a few minutes to relax. Close your eyes and take some deep breaths. This can help to calm your mind and body. By following these tips, you can help to clear brain fog and improve your cognitive function first thing in the morning.